I said, God damn. God damn that Bible pushing. Booyah shaka. Hello, 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 Charles. How are you, mate? How are you? Boomba. Okay. Booyah shaka. All right, so how's everybody doing? Um, yeah, I'm looking at trading the U.S. Open. Nothing nothing really. I don't know, man. I really can't find anything. Now, this is actually not bad. All right, some buy side liquidity here. Let's see how that turns out. Bumbo. Yeah, the markets are ranging. There's nothing going on other than this. I mean, this is quite good actually. Nice, pretty good, man. Pretty good. Possibly will be taking this short on the S&P 500. All right. The market is about to open in how much? How many? Uh, yeah. All right. I'm gonna tag this red. What the fuck? You've been trading for years. When will we see some proper direction and volume again? I don't know, man. I can't tell you that. I mean, who the fuck knows? I don't fucking know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. But I mean, but there's enough. Um, you know, there is enough tons sell side liquidity here. I mean, on a daily basis, mate. On a daily basis, there's quite enough direction to get some trades on. This is pretty much my idea on the S&P 500 short. This is hot as fuck. All right, mid Japanese yen short is in a drawdown, guys, which is fine. I am still looking at that Japanese yen right here, hitting my point of interest right there. So if the Japanese yen breaks with the London session lows, then I'm going to get stopped out on my trade idea, which is fine. All right, this is not bad at all, man. Not too shabby. Even though, you know what? Fuck that. Here is my actual point of interest. on the spools. Well, this is not the spools. It's the S&P 5. This the SPX 500. Yeah, that's much better. 3.5R. Lows or highs? I don't know. What the hell you're talking about? Chunga SPX 500. Placing this all right out here. I don't know. Yeah. So this is not the right SPX 500. Or is it? So 20 February. Hold on. Yeah. Oh, I see. I see. I see. I see. I don't know. My coffee is not working today. It's going to be a short live session. I'm not feeling very good. I'm very hot right now. So I'm not going to be live for long. I am going to wait for the open though. This is a possible S&P 500 short. Let's have a look at the Dow. No, the NASDAQ. Where the fuck is it? Oh, here it is. NASDAQ. Same story, right? Same story, looking for shorts and shorts only. This is a clean break of structure to the downside. The structure in this market is very much bearish. Even though, yes, I'm going to explain to you something. This is a very strong market. And even if we break with the internal structure highs, right here, the structure in this market is going to keep being bearish because the protected high, the first one, we have it here. Second one, I don't think we have another structure, real structure high, because this is liquidity here. This sell side, buy side liquidity. Um, Everything is just liquidity. This kind of sketchy markets to get long, and I shall not do that. All right, so that's the S&P 500. Gold, on the other hand, um, on the Euro USD side, on the yeah, I was waiting for this, but I'm not gonna take it. Again, super sketchy. I don't think I want to be trading any other markets today other than possible S&P 500 shorts, possible longs in gold. Um, yeah, I do like the long side. Gold, fucking gold. Right. So let's have a look at the entire session. Remember, I only care about my squares, and my squares are the Asian session, the London session, and the New York session. Even though this, yeah, I'm going to change this because this is an A cap. Yeah, if you notice here on the top here, this is A cap's data feed, and I don't know why this indicator doesn't work with Pepperstone, for example. It doesn't work because of the timing in the server, I reckon. So let's change it. I'm going to use I don't know. Whatever. What the fuck? Forex. Oh. Channel USD. Here we go. So I'm going to use forex.com. I reckon. That's fine. Yes, much better. Much better. So we did have that. We didn't have that manipulation below the Asian session low. So no, I'm not looking at gold right now. Sorry about that. See the difference between choosing the right, um, you know, the right data feed. What's going on, G? Nothing much, man. Just waiting for the open. And I'm gonna stay about 10 minutes after the open. Then I'm going to log out. Ah, my head is killing me. Plus, there's nothing. Too. I mean, I have nothing going on, right? Let's have a look at this. I mean, this doesn't look half bad. Um, if we look at, yeah, this should be my entire point of interest right here. So I could in fact get in right here for a 4.6R. I don't know. This is not a protected high though. The real protected high, I mean, this is not the real structure high. The real structure or, internal structure high is this one. Right, how to spot a real structure high is pretty simple. Just look at the candles on the swings. So this is not a structure high, this is liquidity. This is the difference, guys. There's a big difference between liquidity and structure highs. That's where most people make the mistake of placing their stop losses, and that is why it's called liquidity. So placing my stop losses on the S&P 500 above this high is a mistake. So I shall place them here and my entry here. Still pretty much a solid 4R, right? Yeah, I think I'm gonna place this. This is pretty solid, very solid. I'm placing this. So my GJ short in a drawdown, which is fine. Which is fine. This is what trading is all about. All right. So what was it? Where was it? Where was it? All right. I'm gonna place this at the breaker. I guess so. Something like this. S&P 500 0.5% on the challenge account. All right. Structure highs. And let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna put it just a little lower. I do want to get filled. And targeting here, those for a 3.5R. All right, let's see if we can get filled on this. And because you already know that, well, the market just opened, guys. Wow. Because I have OCD with round numbers, let me just boom. This is what the S&P 500. I'm gonna do 4 lots only. That's right. Any questions? Please go ask away. This is for my. I mean, I don't know if we're going to get filled. Hopefully, we're getting filled. If not, I'll delete the pending order. Oh, shite. Let me just send this to my VIPs. It's a sell limit. Sell no limit. So, oh man. I think I'm coming down. I don't know, Godspeed Freeman. I think I'm coming down with a fucking cold. This is just uh, so TP. It's a what? I don't remember the risk reward ratio of this. Guess it was a 3.2 hours. So I don't know. Pretty solid move on the Japanese yen, guys. Oh, yeah. Very solid move on the Japanese yen. All right, so let me just record a short video here for my VIPs. Yo, what's up, guys? Let me show you real quick what I'm thinking about here on the pound on the SPX 500. So the market just opened. I am looking at shorts here. The structure in this market is very bearish, right? Super very bearish structure. So I'm waiting for the liquidation of these highs to get on my point of interest, and then to continue the down movement. Now, I'm placing my stop losses at a real structure high. This high is just liquidity, and I might get on a drawdown before the actual move to the downside, which is fine. Well, that's my trade idea. I'll keep you guys posted. All right, so let's have a look at the Japanese yen. Pound yen, solid reaction to my point of interest. Solid fucking reaction. All right, now we're going to who is in that one with me? Who is in this? Who's in this with me? Hope everybody's in there with me. All right, I'm gonna record a video, a promo video. All right, guys, how are you? So let's have a look at what has happened with that trade. That trade right there, the pound yen. So very solid reaction to my point of interest. Sniper entry again. Another day, another fucking sniper entry. Now, this is a keen reaction over there on the Japanese yen. Let me just show you. Very nice reaction to my point of interest on the Japanese yen side. This is not magic. This is what I do every fucking day. So if you want to trade with me every day, just subscribe with the link below. Solid. Solid trading here, mates. This is what it's all about. Solid fucking trading. If you want that, you know what to do. Just subscribe, man. I mean, it's super cheap, and we made it cheap so you can afford it by making money with me. But I'm gonna stop giving you free shit because it seems that's all you want. Boom, 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 boom. Already doing a euro yen short. Well, mate, that's awesome. I don't know. I am good. So I'm up 1 hour on this short on the pound yen. Very possibly we'll be taking 75% off around these levels right here. So let's keep on, let's keep on keeping on. This is what I do. This is just solid trading, mate. Solid fucking trading. I mean, who is in? Are you in? Are you out? Whatever. Whatever you want to do, I don't care. I don't care. All right. Sniper fucking entry. I mean, who doesn't want that in their lives? Yeah. Japanese yen looking very strong, mate. That's the whole idea behind my trade. That's a strength on the Japanese yen. I. That's the whole fucking idea. And I'm gonna tell you something. You should be following my fucking signals. It's not a brag. It's I work very, very hard. I have worked very hard to get these results, and I'm not gonna do this forever. So you might as well just learn with me for as long as I do it. I don't care. Who sings this song? I think it's Taylor Swift, right? I don't know. Damn it! Yesterday, I don't know if you heard of this singer. She's called Sia, I think. God damn it! I mean, I've heard Chandelier before, right? But yesterday I heard it. With only her vocals. And God damn! I'm gonna play it for you because it's so intense. You need to listen to her old stuff. I will. I most definitely will. Fuck, I was so impressed. How do I listen to this? Shit. I mean, I'm a really awesome. I'm a real big fan of amazing voices. So have a look at this. I'm gonna play it for you guys because I think it's amazing. So, it's fucking amazing. I don't care about the copyright strike. Yeah, I mean, I got issued a ton of copyright strikes. Oh shit! Because I used to play music as the entry, as the intro. I'm sorry, of my shows, and so woo. It's power, like this trade. Low. Yes, it is. So what's up? Yeah, I mean, this S&P 500 is not the best setup. I don't expect to get filled. To be completely honest, I just sent it because there's a ton of VIP traders that issue emails to my support team asking for more trades, and they don't understand that to make money is not about trading more. It's only, I mean, and I only take at the most 2 trades per day. On average, I take 1. So fuck you. This is just to fill the gap. I'm not interested in this S&P 500 short, to be completely honest. My trade of the day is the Japanese yen long. So what's up? What's up? What the fuck is up? Uh, uh. All right. So nothing else here. I'm gonna give you a few. I'm gonna give you 10 minutes for you to ask me some questions while I relax. Um, you know, uh, I'm not interested in anything else but this short on the pound yen. I'm not going to make the same mistake that I made yesterday on the on the GBP USD, on where I took profit here. I got stopped out at break even here and missed on the entire move. So I'm not gonna make the same mistake. I'm not going to. That was a fucking. I mean, that one hurt. That one hurt, but it's okay. So I'm not gonna make the same mistake of managing this trade too early. So I'm gonna let it ride. Adiós, pues. Ah, estrenando, pues. Yeah, I mean that pound, yeah, that GBP USD, man. Oh man, fuck. I missed on what? My. To be honest, my targets were right here at the high, so I really only missed on this move, which was another 26 pips. I took profit at about 9 pips, which was 1R, to be completely honest with you, because my stop loss, but my stop loss was only 7 pips, so I took 1R off. But yeah, he was sad, Pedro, I'm sorry. But it's okay. It is what it is. That's right. It is what it fucking is. So we are not going to aggressively trade or manage this trade now that we know that it has a very fucking high probability of going our direction, right? So any questions before I log out? Because I'm done for the day. That's it. I'm just going to manage this trade. Yo. Nothing hurts more than getting stopped before it moves where you expect. Yeah, man. And it was, in my analysis, I'll say my trade idea was spot on. Was spot on. Spot on. But it is what it is, right? And you know what? This is when the market opened in New York, and I was very close to taking another long here on a 11 pip stop loss, but I decided against it uh, because I was not my head was not straight after this. So yeah, I don't I mm, so what I thought was maybe I'm convincing myself of taking a new long because I got stopped out and missed on the move. So this might be just a an emotional trade. So I was reaching too far into leveling. In poker, you call that leveling. I think that you think that you think that you think. So I said, fuck it. I closed my laptop and I just went on. I actually went back to bed. I'm all right. So if you don't have any questions, I'm going to log out. I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos whilst I manage this trade, or I wait for. You know what? I'm just going to show you what I'm going to do. Yeah, I mean, my risk is still very much open. I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to manage my trade. Once price hits these lows, this is where I'm going to take some profits. There's a ton of liquidity here. This is the magnet, guys. So this is the structure, internal structure high. If this structural high gets violated, I will get stopped out at a loss, which is fine. All right. Thank you for joining me. I hope I can do a larger, a bigger, larger. Oh, I'm sorry. Show tomorrow. Um, Same thing happened to me on New Zealand dollar short. Oh, it sucks, right? So see you tomorrow, team. Bye.